Get some of that pasta in here. Ooh, it's still hot. Still hot. Bear with me. Harry says, "Hello guys, I'm joining Mr. Heath."
When you are trying to stand out in a crowd, you just need some bright clothes and a big Bubba skillet. Oh yeah!
So, his other friend, I don't know who this is. I don't know. It's Harry's friend, somebody from Hogwarts. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. And that's the one thing about this pasta. It's a little stringy. And then I'm going to just put the rest of this in here. Why not? So, got the rest of that in here. And then we got to have our cheese. Basically, we're kind of like making like a, I don't know, almost like a lasagna. A cheesy lasagna. Almost more pasta. Let's get that in there. I'm gonna put this cheese in here. Alright, so now you're wondering about these pepperonis. So we're gonna take a few. We're not gonna take all of them. Stack them up like that. Shouldn't really be using a butter knife, but that's what I grabbed. I'm gonna cut these up in 4 little pieces, basically. Because basically what I want is I want the oils. The oils from the pepperoni. It's gonna help. It's gonna help the noodles when I bake it. Because we're gonna bake it. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So they don't have to be perfect. Anyway, so that's what we're doing right there. So now, kind of see what we got. We're just gonna kind of mix all this in the best we can for now. Because again, it's in that cast iron, and the toaster oven is gonna do all the hard lifting for us. It's gonna get all these flavors congealed and working together in union. We have everything mixed together. As you can see, it's kind of full. So we're gonna go ahead and put it into our little toaster oven. I mean, if you've got a regular oven, you can do the same thing, but why spend all that time heating up a Big Daddy when you got this one? So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do it for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Because I'm gonna come back probably around 20 minutes. When it cuts off, I'm gonna go ahead and stir everything because I kind of want those noodles to crisp up. So, in the meantime, let's hear a word from our sponsor.
I was genuinely sad when Blockbuster closed down. They should have just started serving breakfast out of my Bubba skillet. People would still be lining up.
Been about 10 minutes. Ooh, look at that. It's been about 10 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and stir this up because we want all this tastiness to be combined together. All this cheese. This is gonna be a nightmare to clean up on this cast iron. Might make a good video, huh? A little cast iron cleaning. Harry's a little dirty. But in the meantime, let's hear a word from our sponsor.
Don Durgandy, and this is the most important story of the day. They say it's a skillet, but I'm telling you, it's a culinary legend. It's the Bubba skillet, and it's kind of a big deal.
Let's just take a peek. Let's take a peek. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Wow. That cheese is just melding in with everything. It's everything that you could ask for. I'm just gonna give it another stir. It's definitely got a creamy vibe going. And then I'm gonna just since the cast iron retains all this heat, I'm going to turn it off. Well, first, let's take a little sample. See what it should taste like. Wow. That's really good. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna let this rest. If I don't eat it all. And from my kitchen, to yours. Heath Haley from East Texas Duct Tape. Thank you and God bless you.